In 24 U.S. states and 2 Canadian provinces, deer and elk have been diagnosed with chronic wasting disease, CWD, a disease that affects the brain and spinal cord and is known as zombie disease. The disease received its unofficial name because of the effect on animals. They become aggressive and inadequate. While their coordination of movements is impaired, their weight decreases sharply, the animals salivate, and their fear of people disappears. However, the nature of the disease remains unclear. The most common theory is that it is caused not by viruses, bacteria, or parasites, but by prions, proteins with an abnormal structure that tend to accumulate in the brain. According to another theory, the causative agent of the disease is the bacterium Spiroplasma. It is not yet known whether the disease can be transmitted to people, but some experts are preparing us for the worst. Thus, Michael Osterhold, director of the Center for Infection Research and Policy at the University of Minnesota, warns that the disease can also affect people. He believes it is likely that cases of chronic wasting disease in humans will be documented in the coming years. It is possible that the number of cases of disease in people will be significant and not limited to isolated cases, he emphasized. The most likely route of transmission is through consumption of contaminated meat. As noted, from 7 to 15,000 are infected with zombie disease annually. Although no cases of the disease have yet been recorded in humans, researchers recently learned that the disease can be transmitted to some primates. Let us recall that in October 2018, mad cow disease was discovered in Scotland, the last time its outbreak destroyed British agriculture. In addition, eating contaminated meat is deadly for people.